different language na dito.
Turn left.
This is their town center. One way is Unford. Iba ang language nila dito.
Drive 0.2 miles, then turn right.
Will's ice cream.
The mannequin. That's
Scary.
Drive 0.4 miles, then keep
This is
left.
Hidlo. Going to the camping site. Balod. Yan, ano rin yan, no? Camping site. Holiday Home Park siya ang tawag. Joyce, are you right there? Araf. Sabi niya, oh, Araf. Araf means slow. Yan, slow. Ayan, Shell Island. Dito kami tatawid. Tatawid kami doon. Shell Island. It's, ano na, low tide. So, pag ano dito, pag high tide ang tubig, aabot sa kalsada. Hindi ka makatawid. Tidal flooding daw. If there's a tidal flooding, do not proceed. Kasi ang tubig aabot yan dito sa kalsada. This is it. This is the road going to Shell Island. Yan, o, tinan o, may tubig na. Ayan, may tubig. May tubig ang kalsada, ang tabi ng kalsada. Ayan, nag-ano na siya, nag-low tide na. Yan, nakatawid kami kasi nag-low tide na.
Sa aga, dumalasunso. Makang kita.
Yeah.
For 9.
So, time check, it's 10 o'clock. So, low tide. Low tide kasi it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Fishing na sila.
Fishing sila, oh. Kaya, mag-fishing din kami. Warning. What's the warning? Don't drink daw while driving. Yes, it's nice. Yan, Shell Island. Dito na kami. Nakatawid kami. Camping reception. We arrived on our destination. On the right. Reception area. Ang ganda. Para kami na sa ibang bansa.
Arriving at destination on right.
Okay, we are here. We are here. Okay. We need to check in there using our barcode. Check in muna tayo. Yan, mag-check in muna kami using my code.
All four in that one car.
There's a first time.
First time here.
There's the first time. Ito yung mga kasama namin na mag-camping. Good morning.
You need to wear this one all the time.
Yes, please.
Oh, you need to wear that.
Yeah, this wristband.
Okay, it's my time. It's my turn to check in.
Checking in.
Yes.
Showers on the left, they close
So
1 till 3.
529.
Yes, thank you.
Pizzeria, the roads on the left over there. And there's the camp shop, the gift shop, and the supermarket down the hill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You're gonna
that's
go
what
down
I
the
want
way
to
you came.
know. Where's the supermarket?
Left through the barriers?
Yes.
And you can go right towards the harbour or left towards
Yes,
Sand Beach in the sand
that's
dunes.
correct.
We could choose wherever we fancy.
Yeah. Anyway,
What time does the shop opens and
all the times are up here, but basically at the minute all the shops close at 8 o'clock and open back up at 8 o'clock, 8 till 8. And the food's open till about 9. Pubs up till 9.
emergency
Okay, thank you. This is
So our
it.
number is here, and then 24/7 numbers.
Adult. So we are adults.
Yeah,
Right.
that's 24/7.
Thank you.
There's a new coffee shop
Thanks.
all the way down the far end of the harbour.
Welcome. Just
And we
listening.
do the proper beans and cold coffees, the bubble teas, frappes, and we've also got those kits. And
So we can start to build our tent now. Yay! That's what I'm excited.
we ask that you check out, so you have to pack down your pitch by 3. You don't have to leave the site till 8, so you park that way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Wow. Ha?
Wristband all the time.
Wear wristband all the time para tayo nasa ano yun ah.
Para lang nasa ano nga to yung...
Sa hospital.
Hindi.
Saan? Prisuhan. At park. Team park. Rides.
Saan ba tayo?
Yan ang kanilang ano, restaurant nila. Ang daming counters. Ang lamig! Hala! Ang lamig dito!
Check sa akin.
Camping Lisyo. Ayan Pag on foot, 2 pounds. Pag car, 10 pounds. Bus 20. Button trailer, 7. Coach, 25. Daily admission yung mga pumupunta dito na walang ganito, walang wristband.
Thank you very much. This goes on the screen, okay? Okay. There we go. Just display that up there for us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you!
Wristbands all on?
Yes,
Yeah,
we
look
did
at
it.
you going. Well done. Enjoy your stay.
Thank
okay?
you!
Thank you.
Gift shop. Ayan ang supermarket nila. Supermarket. Here. Laki pala ng kampingan na ito. Wala tayo dito, Joyce. Pero talaga wala siyang kuryente. Walang electric.
Walang limit ang space? Wala man? Okay. I get
Arrive on our destination. Hello! Na-surprise ka ba?
Wala limit lang ang space na siguro?
Wala mo. Basta mga 15 meters apart ko, no?